this video, I'm going to show you how to add a PDF file to Google Docs. So you can see on the screen here that I have my PDF document, and this is what I'm going to be uploading into Google Documents. Now, the first thing we need to do is just head over to an internet browser and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Now, over in the top right hand side, click on this square icon and click on Drive. Now, this will take you over to the Google Suite. So what we can do is click on New in the top left hand side and press File Upload. You then need to go and locate the PDF document that you want to upload into Google Docs. So I'm going to be uploading this document here, so I'm simply going to select it and click on Open. Now, over in the bottom right hand side, it will let you know once this upload is complete, and once it's finished, you can simply click on your PDF document, and now in the top right hand side, click on the drop down arrow, and then you can go and open this in Google Docs. And now from here, you can go and edit and make changes to your PDF document. If you want to go and resave and re-download this back as a PDF, you can always click on File, click on Download, and then you can just select PDF document. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.